information. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Muskota, or 18 miles west of Dodgeville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Highland, Centerville, Cobb, Clyde, Black Hawk Lake Rec Area, Governor Dodge St. Park, and Edmond. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.